How to make your Instagram account private if you are a creator. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I will simply guide you on how you can make your Instagram account private if you are a business or a professional account creator. So make sure to watch this video till the very end. So the problem over here actually seems to be that if you go ahead and then open the Instagram application, come to your profile page, you can see that I have a professional account, which in other words is also a creator or a business account, because you can see the professional dashboard. So in this case, what I'll do is if I tap on the three lines and then if I go to settings and privacy, and then if I come to the option called account privacy, and if I try to turn on the toggle next to account privacy, it simply says me that business accounts cannot be private at all. That is because business account really cannot be private. In order to switch to private account, you have to first make sure to change your account into a personal account. So to do that, just look for the option called creator tools and controls. Now keep in mind, depending upon the update, this option could be varying a little bit here and there. So just go to creator tools and controls, and then here you can see switch account type at the bottom right. Just tap on it, and then here you'll find the option called switch to business or switch to personal. So if you want to make our account private, we have to switch to personal account. So first of all, just select switch to personal and tap on the switch option over here. It may take some time to make the changes, as you can see the circle icon on the top right. And after you switch to a personal account, as you can see, now you can simply go ahead and go to account privacy and then just try to turn on private account, and now you can see it says change to private account. I'll just tap on OK, and my account will be successfully set to private. This is how you can make your Instagram account private if you are a creator. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.